everybody should have. Yep. Yes. So today we begin with simple past tense. I'm 100% sure you all know what is simple past tense. Okay. Still, look into your paper, look into your sheet and see. There are three different kinds in which we have to express. Okay. One is assertive. Don't get confused by assertive. It means like you make a statement. Okay, I want everybody to pay attention here. So everyone, just look into your worksheet and read the first part. We can use simple past tense in different ways, like in and a. Like in and a means an assertive sentence, in a negative sentence, in an interrogative sentence. Okay, so we can, that is why I put in and a, like, because when you read, we can use simple past tense in different ways, like in an assertive sentence, in a negative sentence, and in an interrogative sentence. Okay. So what is assertive sentence? Everybody knows about this. Assertive is when you make a state. Yes, I can see Padmashri, center row, first bench. You just raised your hand. Yes, you can come and tell what is assertive. So don't ever get confused by the name. Yes, come forward and quickly speak on the mic. Your mic is switched off. Padmashri, classroom Padmashri, your mic is switched off. Please switch on the mic. Yes. So basically, what is assertive?
One positive sentence.
Yeah, basically it is a statement which we make. Okay. So we tell something. We declare. Now see examples you see. Steve came to my house last week. So you're telling that this is like you made a statement, you're giving information that is assertive. I went to college 3 years ago. Okay. He ate dinner 1 hour ago. So you are just telling what you did. So these are all assertive when you just make a plain statement telling what you did. Okay. Or what was done. And because it is past tense, so simple past tense, so it has to be done in the past. Negative statement. Negative statement means it will always have did not. Okay. And didn't you all know? Okay. We will use did not. Now, what do you think? Are these two different things or they are the same? If they are the same, raise your hand. If they are different, don't raise your hand. Yes, they are the same. Okay, they are same. Only thing is, it is a contraction. When we remove this O from here, we put a apostrophe. So this is a contraction. So they can be, both are absolutely right because they are one and the same. Okay, this is just the shortened form. And so did not is, this is spoken as didn't. Okay, and they are absolutely the same. Okay, both can be used, both forms. It is the same thing with two different ways to write. Clear, everyone? Now, what is simple past tense? Everybody knows? If everybody knows, raise your hands. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Can anyone come and tell me? Yes. Max says, I can see the girl raising hand first, center row, first bench. Come forward and tell what is simple past tense. The past is the time that has been gone. And finished in the past. Okay, something which is completely over. That is simple past tense. Okay, it started in the past, and now we are going to today do these three simple. We use as I told you, first is assertive. When you give information that something happened in the past, that is called assertive. Second is negative, when you use did not. Okay, so he did not do this, like, he did not eat, he did not come to my house, like something like this. And then we have interrogative. Interrogative means you have to you asking a question. So mostly whenever you are asking a question in simple past tense, you will start with did. Did you do this? Did this happen? Like, you are always asking with did. But at the same time, one more thing which you have to remember, that when you use WH questions, okay? Because sometimes you will have to form these questions. You can use WH questions. You can use why. You can use why. Normally, you will use did. Okay, for simple past tense. When you frame a question which is interrogative, you will use did. But when you will why, when, and all the WH questions, where, who, whom, like, when, all these, then you will always add did with them. Why? When did? Okay, so these are the questions that will happen. See, you can see here, did you reach home today? And then you have to home safely. And then there are two questions, where? So where did, why did? So either you start the question with did, but if you will in simple past, when you will use WH questions, you will use did with it. Okay. So this is clear. Is it clear? Yes. If it is clear, everybody. Okay. Very good. Perfect. Because this is very important. This clarity is really important because it is going to make things very easy for you. Okay. If you want, you can also write this. Like with WH questions, you always use did. Okay. You will always use did. With WH questions, always use did. Clear? Now we have a short exercise which we will finish very fast because this is like what I can say simple past tense. And one more thing. I'm going to erase this. Is it okay? Okay. Now, another thing which we have to really take care about is the verb form. Okay. You must have done the three verb forms. Okay. The verb one, verb two. Okay. In simple past tense, we need only verb one and verb two. Okay. Verb three, we'll need for some other things. Now, we will do verb three also, but today for simple past tense, now say go. If the verb one is go, what is going to be the past tense of it? Yes, I can. Yes, very good. It is went. Okay. So whenever you're doing simple past tense, you're always taking care of this verb form. Okay. You're always taking care of, you're always using this word form. Okay. Finish. What is the verb form that will be used? Yes. I can see Max is saying yes. One of you can come forward quickly and say the answer. Yes, quick, quick, quick. It is finished. Okay, finish will be finished. So if you have first verb form is finish, obviously for simple past tense, it will become ed. Okay, finished. Okay, now next is sell. So what is going to be the verb form? Perfect. I can see so many from Oscar. Excellent, excellent. One of the boys, one of the person who's sitting in the last row, middle row, last bench, quickly come forward and tell. Quick, come forward. Okay. From Oscar House, I want Abhijot to come. Abhijot to come and tell. Oscar, Abhijot, quick, quick, quick. We're running out of time.
Sold.
Very good. Sold. Next is buy. I want, okay. From Padmashri Amreen. From Padmashri Amreen. Buy. Will be, is Amreen there? Padmashri Amreen. What is it going to be? Buy will be bought. Buy will be bought. Next is do will be, yes, Padma Bhushan. First, the row towards the window, last bench. I can see a boy raising his hand. Yes, 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 yes. Come, come. Do. Quickly. Do is, yes, come. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Towards the windows, last bench. Do is,
Did.
very good. Did. Okay. Then next is bake. Very easy. It's going to be Shaurya Chakra. I can see again once towards the, on my left side, my left, like your right. Okay. Um, on your right, there is a boy who's raised his hand. Yes. From the back. Yes, 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 you. Yeah, the one who stood up. So, ball, bake is very easy.
Big.
Very good. Baked. Okay. And then see. Next is see. When you see something and then the simple past tense of it is the second form of a verb. Okay. Again, Padmashri. Uh, the road towards the window, last boy. Come out. The road towards the windows, last boy who has raised his hand. Quick, quick, quick. Yes. Yes, come. What happened? Come. The boy who stands. Okay. C is going to be, Be saw. T is going to be saw. And last is introduce. Okay. Introduce. Next will be, yes, I can see so many hands raised. Padma Bhushan. Okay, I can see towards the window. Third bench, two boys are there. Both of you come out. Both have raised their hands. Yes, come out, come out. So one of you can tell about introduce. What is the past tense?
Introduced.
Very good. And next is announce. What is the past tense?
Announced.
Yes, very good. And next is crack. What will be the past tense? Okay. One from Oscar House. I can see the boy on the first bench. Yes, towards the wall. Come forward. Come first bench. Who's raised his hand? Come, come, come. Yes. Yes.
I'm cracked.
Yes, cracked. Okay, cracked. Now, very simple. You already know what is the simple past tense of these words which are given in the bracket. I think so in 1 minute you will be able to finish the exercise. Quickly read, but don't do it blindly. Read every sentence and see how well it fits. Okay, so just quickly go about it. You have already given me the answers. Okay, so please do it. Quickly go finish the exercise. He, and I'm giving you like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, how many? I think so, not more than 5 minutes. And then we can discuss this. We will discuss this, okay? Very simple. How many of you have finished? Very good. I knew you all are very bright children and you will do it in a jiffy. You will finish it there and then. Okay. So when I speak the word, which is the answer, I'm sure if your answer is correct, you will all raise your hands. That is it. Okay. And which I'm very sure that your answer is going to be absolutely correct. We just now discussed all. He went to school. How many of you have done went? Absolutely right. Everybody's got it right. Very good. They finished their homework. Finished. Absolutely correct. Sakshi sold her old laptop. Sold. Perfect. Only Pulitzer House, I can't see any hands raised. I don't know why. Okay. Then she bought a house. Bought. Everybody? Okay. Did you finish the work? Did. As I told you, for a question, you will always start simple past tense. You will always start with the did. Okay? Mainly, yes, did. Perfect. Very good. Next is Maya baked cupcakes for the fundraiser. Very good. Who can explain it to me? What is a fundraiser? What is a fundraiser? Cupcakes to sabne khaye hoenge. And I'm sure you must have also baked. But what is a fundraiser? Can anyone come here and explain it to me? What is a fundraiser? Yes, I can see a hand raised. Two hands raised. Very good. Very good. Oscar House, there are two boys who have raised their hand. The boy sitting at the back towards the window who has raised his hand. Last bench. Yeah, do come. What is a fundraiser? Quick, quick. Yes, because we are learning new words also at the same time. Towards the window, last row, Oscar House, last bench. There are two boys, both have raised their hands. I want to know what is a fundraiser. Yes. Come quickly. What is the discussion going on? What is a fundraiser? I am unable to understand. Could you please repeat it again?
Introduced.
What is a fundraiser?
बोल दे बोल introduced.
Okay. I was not very, it was not very clear though. Anyway, I'll just tell you that whenever we need funds, funds means money for to do something. Like, you probably like if you want to help someone and you want to raise money, you want to collect some money for that particular thing. So sometimes what you will do, you will do bake sales, which is very common abroad. Okay. The school children will do some, they will bake stuff and then they will sell it, and then whatever money they get, that money will be used for some charity work, and they are called fundraisers. Like you're raising fund, you're collecting funds, so they are known as fundraisers. Okay, so I'm sure even you must be doing some fundraiser at school, like collecting money for charitable projects, which is a very good thing. Great. Next is, okay, we blank a nice bird in the sky. Yes, I can see Pulitzer House, Pulitzer Classroom. Nobody has raised their hand. One of you can come here and answer. So from Pulitzer, Avni. Avni can come and answer. We blank a nice bird in the sky. So where is Avni in Pulitzer? Yes, Avni. Quickly come forward. Yeah, come and answer. What did you? I, you? What did we? What happened? Answer, bacha. I can't tell. Okay, I'll give the answer because Avni has not given me the answer yet. We saw a nice bird in the sky. Saw. I know you all know. Perfect. Next is Rita. Rita, I can say Padmashri, there are girls vying, like, eager to answer the question. Okay, all three of you come. From the row which is towards the wall, all three of you come forward. The last three girls, yes, come forward. Raise their hands. All three of you come and you can answer the rest of the questions. All the three. Come on, quick. Yes. What did Rita do? Rita, introduced herself. This government of India. Government of India. What did government of India do?
Announce.
Very good. Announced. Okay. Neha. What did Neha do? Tracked. Very good. So I think all of you have got 10 on 10. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself because I know you all have got perfect scores. Very well done. Well done. Okay, so we finished the class today and we meet again next week. And now I hand over the class to the science man.